What's up? So, what's up? Yeah, what's up?
Yeah. I'm good, you know, it's good. I'm good. So, like,
I've been doing good. I've been doing
so,
good.
so, like, what do you do? What do you do?
Oh, I'm doing good. Oh, I do graphic design, basically.
Oh, like, what's that about, lol?
I'm like 2D, flat, like graphic design work. The last girl I went on a date with took me here.
Girl? Wait, are you bi or?
Wait, what are you?
I'm a man. Like, I'm a twink.
Oh! Oh! I thought you were like a masked lesbian.
So, anyways, are you into Disney?
Uh,
Look at my new tattoo.